Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have this wig from Amazon. The company Unice sent me this. This is a 24-inch body wig unit. This is what she looks like straight out the pack. Now this is just normal stock wig, so you get partial parting, comb, adjustable straps, and everything like that. So I'm gonna go in and bleach some knots. This is the only bleach that I have in house. I have to go to the store tomorrow, so I'm gonna use this to bleach. And I'm contemplating if I want to actually bleach the hair because I want to see if it will, you know, do right by color. So you guys know by the thumbnail if I bleached it or not. So we'll just go from there. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and bleach the knots, and then we'll proceed with the tutorial. Okay, you guys, so this is the voiceover portion. I'm gonna take some aluminum foil and place it inside the wig so it can help heat up the bleach and help bleach the knots. I started doing this. I like actually doing this method. I've never done it like a lot before, but I started incorporating it and I love it. So I'm gonna put the foil in there, and then it helps lift up your lace, so the bleach won't, you know, over process your roots. All right, so I let it process for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I did go in and rinse off all the bleach. You want to make sure you rinse off all the bleach, and then I'm going to proceed with washing and conditioning the hair. I did use purple shampoo, Vanilla No Yellow, to tone the knots, and I also used my Suave shampoo with my silicone mix to wash and deep condition the unit. I probably also use some Ajax dishwashing soap to make sure that the wig was you know, clarified and clean, because it was super dirty. So I want, make sure you wash your wigs. Don't just go put these wigs on your head. Make sure you washing them, because there's too much stuff going on in this world for y'all not to be washing y'all wigs. So I'm gonna just make sure I wash it thoroughly, deep condition it for about 15 minutes, and then after it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs and style it. I did pluck it lightly. I could have went in and plucked it more, but I decided that I'm gonna do that for another tutorial when I'm gonna go in and, you know, redo the wig, color the wig, pluck it more, and bleach the knots again, because I did notice that the knots was not as bleached as I would prefer them to be. Okay, so I have some clips. I'm gonna pin my baby hairs out of the way because I don't want them to be hold liquid gold down. So I'm gonna just pin these up, clip them out the way. So I am going to use some liquid gold. Put a little. Spread it out. Okay, so it's on now, and then now I'm about to just lay the lace down. So I'm gonna pull it to where I want it to sit, and sit it and blow dry it down. Okay, so that's down. So we're gonna do the middle. I'm gonna pull it up a little bit, enough so I could get to this area right here. I'm gonna put a line. I'm gonna have to adjust my part because my part is messed up. So we got it right there. Okay, and then we're gonna do the remainder side. So I'm gonna lift it up. Take it down. Put it in the area where you want it to sit. And then blow dry it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the excessive lace. I'm gonna use this razor to do so. And yeah, I'm kind of pulling it so it can have a jagged cut. And it's okay if it look a little flaky or crunchy because we're gonna go back in and melt it down. I always get flakiness or crunchiness from when I use sprays or liquid gold. Okay, so I got the baby hair somewhat laid. So I'm gonna take my Got to Be Free spray. So I have my little eyeliner. It's a felt tip, and I like to use this to just go over my part. To just make sure that, like, if it is over bleached, it'll just look better. Pull this down and we are all laid down. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of this tutorial, or me showing you this Amazon wig. Okay, so this is how I feel about it. For the price, it's good. Okay, this is definitely I'm on the go and I need some hair real quick, you feel me? So I would say that this is a good wig. It does not come as plucked as other Amazon wigs that I've definitely seen, that I've definitely reviewed in the past. So you are definitely going to have to do in some elbow work when it comes to this hairline to get it to look nice. Okay, like I said, the front of it is not as plucked as I would prefer it to be, but it'll do for now. going on a movie date. I am actually gonna end up coloring this hair. I feel like I wanna color it. And while I'm doing that and customizing it some more, I am going to go in and plug some more of the front of the hairline. Now you don't wanna do too much because of the fact that you do not want to just make it splotchy and holy and, you know, just very, very thin in the front, because you do want your wigs to last. Even though this is an Amazon wig, you want your wigs to last. So for the price, I feel like it's cool. This is how much hair I have. It is a natural density, you guys, and this is 24 inches. I did put some hairspray on my hands, rub it together, and put it down like this just so it can help with the flyaways. This wig did have flyaways. And other than that, I don't have anything to complain about. I do want to say that the knots didn't lift as well as I would want them to, but you can't really tell unless you're really up on them. So while I am lifting the hair, I'm gonna go back in and bleach the knots again. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that I am gonna go and do a tutorial of me lifting this hair with you guys, but for now, this is just me doing a glueless install with you guys. The hair is very silky. It has a nice luster. This up there is the hairspray. This right here is the natural luster, and it is very, very nice. It's very, very silky and soft. I have no complaints about this. If you are larger than a 22.5, you are going to have issues with adhering this wig to your head. This is not big head friendly whatsoever. I barely made it with putting this wig on my head. So if you're a smaller head, then this is definitely the wig for you. The slace, I did not even have to tint it. It was a good color for my natural brown skin tone. But if you are lighter than me, this is not the lace for you because it comes naturally brown, you guys, okay? So if you are darker than me, this is a perfect lace for you because it might match you already, or you might have to tint it a little bit darker. I'm pretty sure if you ask the company, they probably will send you lighter lace. I'm going to end this video and I'm gonna show you what the wig looks like on me. And yes, I haven't had straight hair in a long time, so I was really like looking forward to this because it's very simple and sleek and neat. No, I haven't did Amazon wigs in a long time, and I have a lot more coming to you guys when it comes to Amazon and the affordability and just bombness that you guys could order from your Prime. All right, so until next time, bye best friends.